Hello everybody, welcome to Introduction to C Tokens in C Programming Language. My name is Justin Niranjan, student at Government Arts College, Ananthapuram, and I am the student of Dr. N. Uday Bhaskar sir. He is the head of the department in Computer Science. Right, we will enter into the topic. జనరల్గా మనం ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలి అన్నప్పుడు we have the idea on these C tokens. Without these C tokens, we can't run a program. C programming language, these C tokens can also roll a specific character. Let us discuss about that. Part 1, we will discuss about keywords. These keywords are predefined words. Each keyword is meant to perform a specific task in C programming language. Generally, C language has 32 keywords. They are auto, double, int, struct, const, float, short, unsigned, break, else, long, switch, continue, for, signed, void, case, enum, register, type diff, default, go to, size of, volatile, char, extreme, return, union, do, if, static, while. These are the 32 keywords in C language. And then second part we will discuss about identifiers. Identifiers. Each program is given a name called identifiers. Name given to identifier variables. Functions and arrays are example for identifiers. ఫర్ జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఒక అడ్రస్ చెప్పాలి అంటే మన ఉన్న డోర్ నంబర్, స్ట్రీటు, కంట్రీ ఎలా అయితే చెప్తామో ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక ఎలిమెంట్కు మనం నేమ్ ఇస్తే దాన్ని ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. సో దాన్ని ఐడెంటిఫైర్ అంటాం. రైట్, దిస్ ఐడెంటిఫైర్ హ్యాస్ rules to define. An identifier can only have alphanumeric characters. Here alphanumeric characters ante alphabets and numerics. Alphabets nu numerics nu కలిపి చెప్పడమే alphanumerics అంటాం. They are A to Z, small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9. And underscore. Underscore is not a alphanumeric, it is a symbol. Identifier names must be unique. The first character must be alphabet or underscore. You cannot use two keywords as identifier. Only the first 31 characters are significant. You must not contain white space. White space means here blank space. Identifier has case sensitive. Here is an example. Here int is a keyword and amount is a identifier. Here amount starts from alphabet. In the middle of the amount there is no have blank space. At the starting of the amount word, this amount is the identifier. And here int is a keyword, right? Here double is also keyword, but total balance is identifier. Here also the total balance, there is no space in between the total balance, and it starts with alphabet. And right, we will discuss about variables. Right, variables. C variable is an identifier which is a name location in a memory where a program can manipulate the data. This location is used to hold the value of the variable. The value of the variable may get the change in programs. Here is a Rules to name the variable. Variable name must not start with a digit. Blank space are not allowed in variable name. Keywords also not allowed to variable name. It can consist only alphabets, digits, numbers. Right. Here is a small example for variables. Here hash include sudo.h and hash include conio.h void main. This is the general process for all programs. But here after the keyword, here keyword is int, right? After the keyword CBA, and C is a variable, but B and C already have declared the values. So we call it as value variables because we have already declared the value of A and B. Here is C is equals to sum of A and B, and we have the addition of A and B is the output result will be 10. This output will be executed by the compiler, right? We have to enter into fourth topic, that is constants. Constants is an identifier which is a name location to hold fixed values. These values do not change during the executing of a program. Constants are mainly classified into two types. Number one is numeric constants and character constants. First of all, we will discuss about numeric constants. All numbers treated as numeric constants. Again, these numeric constants are classified into two types. Number one is integer constants and real constants. Integer constants. Integer constants. An integer constant refers to a sequence of a digit and which does not contain real part. They are namely decimal 0 to 9, octal 0 to 7, hexa 0 to 9 and A to F. Here here the real constants. Real constants means particular we have to know the values, distance, height, temperature, price and other qualities are represented number contain terminal parts. Such numbers are called real or floating point constants. Example here is there 0.8 and minus 6.0 and so on. And after the second part of the constant is character constants. These character constants also classified into two types, single character constants and string character constants. A single character or constant contain a single character enclosed with a pair of single quote. Example, here is the x. We have to mention a single quote. And the second one is string constant. String characters are character constant. Contains enclosed to double quotes. The character may be letters, numbers, special characters and blank spaces. For example, we have the example hello. Here is their hello before and after they have double quotes. These are the string constants. And next one is I am. I am also we have denoted as double quotes. So this like string constants can use in C programming language. Right? Thank you for listening my tutorial. Your friend Jas Niranjan. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.